Do you know that your heart could be silently failing, and you won't feel it until it's too late? And if you sit too much, your heart is paying the price. Here's the fix. What if I told you one simple exercise could literally rewire your heart for strength, energy, and longer life? Starting today? No pills, no gym, no stress. And the shocking part? Most people ignore it because it feels too simple to work. Although, this one daily habit is saving lives, but most people ignore it. The answer is brisk walking. Yes, just walking, but done the right way. Not slow strolling, not distracted walking, but intentional, rhythmic, heart-activating movement that quietly transforms your body from the inside out. How does it works? You may ask, when you walk briskly, something powerful happens inside your body. Your heart begins to pump faster and stronger, training like a muscle. Your blood vessels expand and relax, improving circulation. Oxygen flows more efficiently to your brain and organs. Over time, this simple habit can lower your blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, improve heart rhythm, strengthen your entire cardiovascular system. It's like giving your heart a daily upgrade. Just 30 minutes a day of brisk walking can reduce your risk of heart disease, boost your energy levels naturally, help control weight and blood sugar, improve mood and reduce stress hormones, increase lifespan and overall vitality. And here's the magic. It doesn't just protect your heart, it makes it more efficient with every beat. So how do you know you're doing it right? Walk fast enough to feel your heartbeat rise, but still slow enough to hold a conversation. That's the golden zone, where your heart grows stronger without burnout. So remove excuses. No gym? Perfect. No equipment? Even better. Walk. Around your neighborhood. At a park, inside your home, even while taking calls. Because the real secret is this. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Right now, your heart is beating for you. Silently, faithfully, non-stop. The question is, are you doing anything for it in return? Start today, one step, then another, because a stronger heart doesn't come from someday. It comes from daily movement. Your future self is already thanking you. Follow for more simple health tips that actually work.